how to create a module for commission calculation. A commission is essentially a percentage cut of whatever the sale is. Therefore, we simply need to do the same thing here. Let us create a module that looks through the range and creates a commission based on this concept. Since we want to be able to drag our formula, we'll create a function for the commission calculation. We are looking for a calculation and an output. Therefore, it makes sense to create a function for this purpose instead of a sub. Depending on what levels of commission you want to place, the numbers are adjustable within the function. Now that it's a function, we can use it as thus and drag the formula down beside our values to calculate each individually. When we run the formula and drag it down, we can see that it populates our rows just like a normal build in function would. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.